Stay with me, because each section connects to the next. Coming up, let's start with why so many people drink beet juice in the morning. Morning time sets the tone for everything. What you consume first either fuels you or drains you later. Many people love starting their day with beet juice because it gives a clean lift, without heaviness, sugar crashes, or energy dips. Beetroot contains natural nitrates, and when consumed early, especially before movement, your body makes good use of them throughout the day. This is why morning beet juice has become a routine in many homes. People often say they feel a noticeable difference in how they start their day. Clearer thinking, more motivation, and smoother movement. Not a buzz, not a spike, but natural activity readiness. It feels like starting your day with clean energy, and if you're someone who wakes up slow, needs time before functioning well, or tends to fade early, morning beet juice can become your first daily advantage. Now that you understand the timing, let's talk about what's inside beetroot that makes this possible. Before we continue, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss more videos like this. We share simple food routines that make your day feel more energized, more productive, and easier to manage. So subscribe now, and let's continue this journey toward feeling great. Using everyday foods that support your well-being. Inside beetroot are naturally occurring nitrates. These nitrates support normal oxygen flow through your system. Think of oxygen like fuel delivery. When fuel is delivered smoothly, the machine works better. Your muscles feel lighter, your movement feels easier, your day feels smoother. That's what people often experience with beet drinks. These nitrates support a more efficient oxygen process in the body, especially during activity. Walking, climbing stairs, grocery shopping, working or exercising. Instead of fighting through the day, you glide through it. The real benefit is simplicity. You're not pushing your body harder, you're using your energy more effectively. And this matters at every age. Beet juice is used by young professionals for focus, by busy parents for stamina, and by older adults who simply want to move comfortably. Now, let's go deeper into something interesting. Beet juice doesn't just help you move better, it also changes the way everyday activity feels. Coming next, how beetroot makes movement feel easier and more enjoyable. Here's where beet juice begins to impress people. When the body uses oxygen more efficiently, you feel less exertion during daily tasks. Walking upstairs doesn't feel like a chore. Taking a walk feels refreshing instead of tiring. Staying active becomes natural. Individuals often describe something like a smooth energy, not high, not jittery, just more capable. Even light workouts feel easier when oxygen movement is better supported. Instead of fatigue arriving quickly, your body stays calm, steady, and active. This is why many people drink beet juice before they go walking, cycling, gardening, or doing morning chores. It gives them a better physical experience. And unlike stimulants, beet juice works with your body, not against it. You don't feel wired, you don't feel overstimulated, and you don't feel drained afterward. You simply feel ready. Now, natural energy is only part of the story. Beets also change how full you feel and help with more balanced eating. Coming next, why beetroot makes many people avoid overeating naturally. One of the biggest unexpected benefits of consuming beetroot regularly is how it affects fullness. Beetroot contains natural fiber that supports a satisfying stomach experience. When you consume fiber combined with natural hydration, your body registers fullness more accurately. This means you don't just eat because food is available, your body signals enough. Many people find that when they drink beet juice before breakfast or before their first meal, they make better food decisions. You don't crave heavy meals, you don't snack unnecessarily, and you don't feel weighed down after eating. This is especially helpful when creating healthy eating habits, because the biggest challenge is usually portion awareness. Natural fiber helps your body make those decisions intelligently. Now that fullness and controlled eating habits are connected, we go into another advantage: mood and clarity. Coming next, how beetroot supports better focus and mental clarity during the day. Beetroot naturally contains folate, a nutrient that plays a role in forming red blood cells, and red blood cells are involved in transporting oxygen. When your cells and tissues receive oxygen easily, you simply think better, focus longer, and stay motivated. You know those mornings when you're physically present but mentally not ready? That's often linked to energy inefficiency, not lack of sleep. Many individuals who use beetroot regularly describe a clearer start to their day. They feel ready earlier, they stay focused longer, their brain doesn't feel foggy. This clarity doesn't come as a spike, it feels natural. There's also a lifestyle emotional lift that comes with making a healthy morning decision. When your day begins with something beneficial, your decisions tend to follow that same direction. And now that we understand why beetroot influences clarity, fullness, and movement, let's make the recipe. Coming next, how to prepare beet juice in less than 2 minutes. Here's a recipe that requires no complicated ingredients and no long preparation. You need half a beet, 1 slice of ginger, half an orange or a small apple. Water. Step 1. Wash or peel your beet. Step 2. Cut into chunks. Step 3. Add ginger and fruit. Step 4. Blend with water. Step 5. Strain if you prefer a smoother drink. Your drink is ready. This version is refreshing, slightly earthy, and naturally energizing. Drink 6 to 8 ounces at a time. You can also refrigerate it for later the same day. If you prefer a milder flavor, increase the water or use more citrus. However, this same beet can create 3 different versions that serve different purposes. Coming next, how one beet can create 3 unique morning drinks for different needs. Turn 1. Beet into 3 morning drinks. Drink 1. The energy shot. Blend 1 beet with ginger and enough water for a dense, strong liquid. Serve 2 ounces great, right before a walk or workout. Drink 2. The 8 Oz morning glass. Same ingredients as the main recipe. Perfect before breakfast. Drink 3. The balanced smoothie. Half beet frozen banana water. Optional, chia or oats. This version helps with fullness, smoother digestion, steady energy. 1 beet gives 3 experiences, and each serves a different daily moment. Now, we go into something crucial: timing. Coming up, when to drink beet juice to feel the most energized. There are 3 timing strategies. Drink it before breakfast. You enter your morning with clarity. Drink it 30-45 minutes before movement. Walking feels lighter. Drink it during the afternoon slump. Instead of reaching for sugar, you support steady energy. Each timing has its own benefit. Now, let's connect this into a daily routine. Small changes multiply when repeated. Beet juice works because it's simple, affordable, repeatable, quick to make. Try it for 3 days, not to compare yourself to anyone, but simply to observe. How do you wake up? How do you move? How long does your energy last? How do you feel before meals? Consistency is where results take shape. And now we close with a simple invitation. Try this for 3 days. Drink your morning beet juice before breakfast or before activity, and pay attention to how you feel, how alert you are, how steady your energy is, and how natural your movement becomes. If you enjoyed today's video, subscribe, like, comment, and share, and we will continue showing you fun and simple habits that support natural daily energy and better living. This video is for general informational purposes only. It is not medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult a qualified health professional before making changes to your diet or lifestyle, especially if you have medical conditions or are taking medication. Individual results may vary.